Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing an iPhone 5 screen repair. First thing you're going to do is take out the two pentalobe screws using your pentalobe screwdriver. Now you're going to prop the screen out of the frame. You can use iSesmo tweezers or a flat screwdriver. Now once the screen is out, there's going to be two screws that you're going to unscrew for the battery. Now what this does is that ensures that there's no other hardware issues. Anytime you do a screen repair, always take out your battery just to be on the cautious side. Now there's going to be three screws up top that we just took out, and also three flex cables. The three flex cables is your LCD, your digitizer, as well as the front camera assembly. Once you take those out, your screen will come out, and now we'll work out on the screen. Take out the two screws up top. This is for the speaker. And now there's going to be five screws that hold the metal plate. Actually, a sixth screw on the bottom as well. So there's going to be six screws that hold this metal plate. Go ahead and take all of these out, and then we're going to take off this metal plate. Next, we're going to remove the flex cable. And now finally the home button. There's two screws that are holding the home button with a plate. Once you take those two screws out, gently try to pry off this flex cable, and the home button easily just comes out. All we're going to do now is do everything in reverse order and put it into our new screen. So the first thing we'll do is put back the home button as we've done already, and now we're going to put the metal plate. Again, there's going to be six screws, one on the top, one on the bottom, and two on either side. Now we're going to put our flex cable in. There is a little hole inside the plastic piece that goes in, and then we're going to fold it back inwards. Try to hold that with your left finger while putting the speaker assembly back on top. There's going to be two screws that hold that speaker assembly down. Let's screw those in right now. And there you have it. Your screen is fully assembled. Let's go ahead and put this back into our phone. Again, the first two cables that we're going to put in is for the LCD and for the digitizer. And then that third flex cable is going to be for your front camera and your speaker assembly. Again, we're going to put this metal plate on with the 3 screws. Upon doing that, let's go ahead and put the metal bracket back onto the battery, and let's insert the battery back in. There's 2 screws holding those in. And now we're ready to put the screen back into the phone. Now be very careful that you don't jam this in. You may have to use a pry tool to correctly adjust it. Sometimes if your frame is bent, you will have to make modifications. And then finally we're going to put our 2 penelope screws back in. Now let's turn it back on and see that it is powered on. This repair is very similar to the iPhone 5C and the iPhone 5S. All 3 generations, all 3 types are pretty much the same. Um, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any comments or questions, you can directly contact us below.